Now, I don't know if you heard that, but there was a pretty loud clicking noise. And the first time I'd done this surgery, I was terrified that I'd ruined it. Like that I ruined the stitches in the joint of the labrum. But honestly, your joint's gonna make clicking noises, crunching noises, all sorts of noises. Don't worry about them, you'll be fine. So the rule is, as long as it doesn't hurt, probably nothing's actually happened. So don't get upset or run to some sort of emergency or anything. There's, like I said, as long as it doesn't hurt, don't worry about it. What that noise, that click probably was a tiny little bit of scar tissue that's built around the joint. So whenever I internally or externally rotate the hip joint, it can make those tiny bits of scar tissue tear apart, and then it makes that popping, clicking noise. That's actually good that I'm not letting my hip scar up, because otherwise I'll have mobility issues. So it's actually a good thing as long as it doesn't actually hurt you. Right, take it easy.